Hi guys, welcome to Code Artisan Lab. This is video number 67 for multi-vendor e-commerce website in Django with ReactJs. In this video, we will work on the product list in the vendor panel. So in our previous video, we have seen that how we can add the product, right? So now we will fetch the product list here, okay? And then after this, we will work on the multiple image upload, and we will also see that how we can view, edit and delete the product. Okay, so today focus is to fetch the data and show as a data show in a table, right? So let's do that. So we'll open the seller panel and seller products, right? So what we will do here, I will open any of the customer panel, where we are fetching all the data. So let's say address list, right? So we need this XUs because we need to fetch the data. We can also do uh, the fetch method. Okay, we can do like we were doing for the fetch categories in the previous video. So we have, here we are, right? So fetch data in the use effect, right? So let's see, let's import the use effect. Okay, so this hook is help us to, uh, this hook work when we anything change in the component, right? If we update the component, reload, anything that we change in the component, this hook run, right? Now the first load we are running this and we are just updating our data. So set product data, we also need to create this state, so we will use state, right? So here we have constant use state, and this will be empty array, right? So let's do that, and we just need to do, no need to do this, fetch URL, and we will say products. We also need the base URL, so we will do something that we should not repeat this base URL in every component. We will do something for that, right? Okay, so base URL and then products. Let's review one more time for the backend URL. So main URLs, products, right? So we have products, okay, correct. Set product data, right? And let's console the data. So product data, right? So let's go to the component, go to the network tab. So here you can see we have so many data, right? Okay, so what we need to do now, let's go to product, and here we have data.map, and then we have a function, so we will say product index and here we are, here we have a data, copy, paste, right? Okay, we need to do something, sorry. Okay, so you can see that we have lot of data, I mean 10 data we have. So for the first one is the ID, so product.id, and the second one is title, so product.title, and then price, so product dot price, right? And another one is product dot status. So we have status or not? Let's go to model product. We don't have status, but we will add the status. Let's keep it published. Okay, and let's keep the buttons as it is. Let's create one field, publish. Do we have? No. So publish status equal to models dot boolean field, and default it will be false, null equal to true. No need for null equal to true. We will say default equal to false, right? So it should work now. Let's see. We need to migrate this. So python manage.py, sorry, py manage.py, make migrations, py manage.py migrate, right? All right, so we will say, so we can say now status. So product dot status. Okay, so it is showing default, showing nothing, because we do have nothing in the status, right? So let's add a condition here. Let's add a condition. So we'll say if not, then and we will say pending, right? And if this one, then we will say published, right? So if I go to the API, and if I, no, not here, and if I go to the products, and if I go to any of the product number 4, and if I say, okay, so it's not in the serializer, let's add in the serializer also. Serializer, product list, we'll say here publish status, and we'll do the same for product detail, right? So don't have anything. Products, okay, so let's say publish, put published. Let's see here, so one is published, right? So we can do one more thing. We can see here span class, let's add the span class actually here for, sorry, so cancel this one, text success. Sorry. Okay, so this is published, right? So we are fetching the list and we are doing all the things. Let's show one more price, USD price. So vendor can, change or do anything if he will see the price, right? USD price. So we will add a dollar sign. Okay, and here we will add the INR. Do we have rupee sign somewhere in the field? No. no, alt, control alt, this one, no rupee sign, caps, this one, no, 4. Okay, no issues. So we have dollar, and this is rupees, let's say this one. Okay. No, rupee sign in HTML, it is kind of itching if I'm not adding the thing, right? Where is the rupee, rupee? Oh no, not this one. Let's see. Okay, hex code, HTML code, right? Okay, so it's looking good now. So we have product, price, USD price, status, right? So in the next video we will work on the multiple upload images, and we will also do the unique we will also create the unique ID for every every single row in every table, and with that we will make that primary. So we will not use our actual primary key, we will just use the UUID for our for the editing or any or further process, right? So let's we will do all these things in the next video. We will modify this ad product little bit, then we will move to the orders and customer and all the things, right? So thank you so much for watching the video. Please stay tuned with the Code Artisan Lab, and let me know your comments, right? And if you need the source code of this project, then you can simply go to the GitHub Code Artisan Lab, and right, and I have pinned this project here, so you can just simply follow the process, and this will be support for me if you buy the source code. And also it will be beneficial for you because currently it is in development stage, and you will get this project at this price, and this price will continue change as the progress of the project. So it will be very good if you purchase this one, right? So thank you so much for watching the video. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.